Children, it is a activity page number 6, that is the activity for day 5. It is a activity about the least common multiple, which is termed as LCM. Then what is LCM? The LCM of two or more number is the least of all common multiples. Least of all common multiples. The LCM. LCM is a short form of least common multiple. Then what is LCM? LCM of two or more numbers is the least of all common multiples. If you take example 2, 3, 4, consider 2, 3. Take the number 2 and 3, write the table. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10, 2 6s are 12, like this way. And also you write 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, and 3 4s are 12, 3 5s are 15, 3 6s are 18. You know that in the table of 2, 16 is also there. So which are the common multiples? These are the multiples of 2, these are the multiples of 3. Here common multiples are there 6 6 and 12 12. Similarly you can get 18 18, because 18 is the multiple of 3 and also multiple of 2. Here which is the least? 3. 3 is the LCM of 2 and 3. So least common multiple. But by the method of factorization also it is possible to get the LCM. If you take the factors, if you express the given number as a product of the factors, then what is the LCM? Then the LCM is the product of highest power of common factors and the other factors. Here, if you want to use the factorization method of finding the LCM, you must find the prime factors of all the given numbers. After finding the prime factors, common factors may be there, may not be there. If there are common factors, you must take the highest power and also take the factors which are not common. So let us take one example here. Finding the LCM by prime factorization. Here you take the numbers 12, 15 and 21. Find the LCM of 12, 15 and 21 by prime factorization. Now you write the prime factors of 12. How will you get the prime factors of 12? Here divide it by 2 and divide it by 3. You will get 3 into 2 into 2. So 3 into 2 into 2. And if you express that in terms of power, 1 times 3 is there, that is 3 power 1. 2 times 2 are there, so 2 power 2. Again prime factors of 15. So 3 5s are 15. So prime factors of 15 are 3 and 5, 3 into 5, 1 time 3, so 3 power 1, 1 time 5, so 5 power n. Then prime factors of 21. Prime factors of 21, 3 7s are. So 3 into 7, 1 time 3, 3 power 1, 1 time 7, 7 power 1. Then what is the LCM? LCM is 6. The least common multiple of 2 and 3 is 6. Therefore, the LCM of 2 and 3 is, you can say that is 6. Here, once again you can verify that 2 and 3 are co-prime to each other. If any two numbers are co-prime to each other, their product becomes their LCM. Now here, the method of finding the LCM by the prime factorization. If you want to use the method of factorization to get the LCM of two numbers, and what is the LCM? That is the product of highest power of common factors. If there are common factors, you must take the highest power of the common factors and also other factors. It is the product of the highest power of the common factors and other factors. So let us take one example here. Find the LCM of 12, 15 and 21. Now let us find the LCM by prime factorization. So take one example. Finding the LCM by prime factorization, that is find the LCM of 12, 15 and 21 and factorize each. Now you divide it by the first prime number. 2 6 are 12. Again you divide by 2. 2 3 are 12. Then the factors are 3 into 2 into 2. So here factors of prime factors of 12 are 3 into 2 into 2, and you can express them in the form of power 3 one time. So it is 3 power 1, 2 2 time, 2 time 2 power 2. Then you get the prime factors of 15. So you divide it by 2 if it is possible. You know that 15 is not divisible by 2, so you divide it by 3. 3 5s are. So the factors are 3 into 5. 3 one time, so 3 power 1. 5 one time, then it is 5 power n. 5 power 1. Next you take the 21. Prime factors of 21. So divide it by 3. It is not divisible by 2, so divide it by 3. 3 7s are. The factors are 3 and 7. 3 into 7. 3 one time, 3 power 1. 7 one time, 7 power 1. Then the common factors. So you know that common factors are 3 3 3. All the three numbers are having the common factor 3 and having the same power 3 power 1. Then which are the remaining factors? Here what is remaining? 2 power 2 is remaining. Here 5 power 1 is remaining. 7 power 1 is remaining. So these are the remaining factors. Then what is LCM? The highest power of the common factor, that is 3 power 1. And next the remaining factors 2 power 2, 5 power 1, 7 power 1. Their product becomes the LCM, that is 3 into 4 into 5 into 7, that is 420. Then what is the LCM of 12, 15, 20 is 12, 15, 21 is 420. What is the LCM of 12, 15, 21? That is 420. Next you take the second question. They have activity question for you. Find the LCM of 6, 18, 21 by prime factorization method. Here also find the product of 6, find the factors of 6, find the factors of 18, find the factors of 21. You try to divide by 2, 3, 5, so on. Some are divisible by 2, 3, some are divisible by other numbers. So factorize each number and follow the method discussed here and find the LCM. Next one more question. Find the LCM of 8, 16 and 24 by prime factorization. Children, here also first you find the prime factors. Divide it by 2, 3, 5, 7 and so on. If it is divisible by 2, then only you divide it by 2. Next you try it by 3. Next you try it by 5. Next you try it by 7, like this way, and get the factors of all these 8, 16 and 24 and recognize the common factor and their highest power and the remaining factors. The product of all these becomes the LCM of that 8, 16 and 24. In this way, get the LCM by the method of prime factorization.